Lesson 33 My favorite object, toy car.
Bài 33. Đồ vật yêu thích nhất, xe đồ chơi.
Hello, I am Jake. I want to tell you about my favorite object. It is my toy car. My toy car is red. It is small and fast. I got it for my birthday last year. I like to play with my toy car every day. I race it on the floor in my room. It goes really fast. Sometimes I build ramps with books. I watch my toy car fly off the ramps. It's so much fun. I take my toy car with me wherever I go. It's my favorite toy, and I love playing with it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.